Welcome! This video is not for people who want quick tricks. This video is for people who are tired of feeling silent, for people who understand English but feel invisible when it's time to speak. If you've ever said, "I know English, but I can't speak. I freeze. I feel nervous. I feel stupid when I talk," this message is for you. Because by the end of 2026, you will not just speak English, you will become someone who speaks English. Not confidently one day and silent the next, but consistently, calmly, naturally. Step 1. Stop blaming yourself. Let me say this clearly. You are not weak. You are not slow. You are not bad at English. You are simply trained the wrong way. Most people fail not because they lack intelligence, but because their English lives only in books, not in their daily life. Language cannot survive like that. Language is not knowledge. Language is a habit, and habits are built by environment.
Build an English life, not an English class. If English exists only when you open a book, it will disappear when you open your mouth. So we change that. From today, English enters your normal life. Your phone language becomes English. Your inner thoughts get English sentences. Your daily routine gets English words. Not extra time, normal time, English style. While walking, I'm feeling tired today. While eating, this food tastes good. While thinking, I need to focus more. Broken is fine. Silent is not. Step 2. Your mouth is untrained. Your brain may know English, but your mouth doesn't. Speaking is physical, and physical skills require repetition. That's why reading doesn't make you fluent. Listening doesn't make you fluent. Only speaking does. Even if it's ugly, even if it's slow.
The daily speaking muscle routine. Every day, you do 3 things. Shadow 1 minute. Copy a speaker's voice. Same speed, same rhythm. Mirror talk, 3 minutes. Talk about your day. No stopping. One topic, 1 minute. Speak fast. No editing, no translation. This trains your mouth, your confidence, your courage. Fluency is not clean speech. Fluency is fearless speech. Step 3. Think in English or stay stuck. Translation is the enemy of fluency. As long as your brain thinks in your native language, your mouth will hesitate. So we train English thinking on purpose. The thinking reset method. Choose small moments. Brushing teeth, showering, walking alone. During that time, English only. Even if it's wrong, even if it's simple.
I'm brushing my teeth. This water is warm. I need to work harder. Your brain learns by force first, then by habit. Step 4. Repeat less but deeper. Most learners collect information. Fluent speakers collect repetition. One sentence repeated 20 times is more powerful than 50 new words. Example: I'm not confident yet, but I'm improving. Say it, feel it, use it. Again, and again, and again. That's how language becomes automatic. Step 5. Practice alone without shame. Let me tell you a secret. Fluent people practice alone, a lot. They talk to mirrors. They whisper sentences. They repeat conversations in empty rooms. They're not crazy. They're committed.
If you can speak alone confidently, you can speak anywhere. The solo fluency system. Every day. Mirror speaking. Imaginary conversations. Voice recording. Once a week, listen to your old recordings. You'll hear growth. You'll hear courage. Step 6. Speak like a human. Stop trying to sound perfect. Perfect English doesn't connect. Human English does. Use pauses. Use emotion. Use simple words. Say, I don't know the exact word, but let me explain. That's confidence. The final truth. Fluency is not pronunciation, not grammar, not vocabulary. Fluency is identity. The moment you stop waiting, the moment you speak imperfectly, the moment you practice even when you feel stupid, That's the moment English becomes yours. In 2026, make this promise. I will speak, even when I'm afraid. I will practice, even when I'm alone. I will continue, even when I feel slow. And one day, you'll realize you're no longer learning English. You're living it.